Hello, everyone. Today we have one of the instructors from our How to Make a Million series, John Armstrong. John is the National Director of Development for the Boys and Girls Club. How are you doing today, John?
I'm doing great. Glad to be here.
Awesome. All right. And starting off, why don't you tell me a little bit Why don't you tell me a little bit about the curriculum of the course and if there's some things you might want to emphasize on?
Yeah, the course, what we're going to do, obviously focus on how do we raise those big bucks, but we're going to look at some of the key foundation pieces, which goes into relationship building, doing your prep work, doing your research in terms of looking at their philanthropic focus and some of the organizations that they have supported in the past. There's a lot of good national nonprofits out here and local nonprofits out here, but we have to make sure when we go after the big bucks, how do we distinguish our organization from others? And that goes into those key factors that I mentioned before, the relationship building, the pre-research, and then also making sure we have the ability to close when we do get our chance to talk to those donors.
Mm-hmm. All right. And then the next question I have for you is just anything you expect participants to walk away with at the end of this course, anything you want them to remember or just hold on to?
Yeah, I mean, at the end of the course, I really feel like participants will have the opportunity to have heard some tremendous strategies that have been for me during my time in my 26 years of a nonprofit professional. I really want to share those lessons that I've learned, sometimes not always successful,
Mm-hmm.
but also being able to take away some great experiences when you had a success or also when you so I want them to leave with the confidence to walk into a potential donor and know that they have a great know that they have a great message, know that they have a great case statement. So those are some of the key things that I would love for them to walk away with at the end of this course.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time today, John. We look forward to seeing you on Friday, July 10th at 2 p.m. And for everyone watching, make sure you do not miss out on this awesome opportunity. Visit myany.org today to register. And thank you again for your time, John. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. Take
Bye.
care.